Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so excited. As you know, if there's a bow on it, that means it's an irresistible coloring purchase. All right, and you imagine it. It's Wildflower. How could I ever not get Wildflower by Christine Karon? And I decided to upgrade my coloring pencils, and I got the Castle 120 set. 120 set. I'm telling you, I overdid it. Anyways, this purchase was not by fluke or anything just sporadic. It's a birthday haul. Yes, your girl's a year younger, but I'm excited to get this set. I got one of Christine's book. Not a pretty penny, I tell you, but when I opened the book, the quality was so good. I'm like, every dollar spent. And the illustrations, they're something that I personally want to aspire to illustrate. These are so good. The illustrations are awesome. So thank you, Christine. And I tell you, if you have not picked one of her book up, just like the Kirby books, every artist has their own illustration style, and I just love them all. It does not matter what style, but you can tell once an artist has put their heart and soul into doing their job, doing something that they love. It does not matter if it's fantasy, if it's surreal, if it's pop, you will know. The illustrations are just so good in their own style. So I thank you. And I got the Castle 120 coloring pencils. I've not tested them yet. So I saw the 72 and I'm like, it took me a few days in order to order this entire package, the 2 coloring books and this 120, because it was so hard to decide. Do you want to save money? Do you want to go all out and forget about it? And then I'm just like, I will be so disappointed if I don't get the 120, because after you start coloring, you realize that your color palettes are just limited with 72. Can you believe it? Because I do have the Studio and the Yugame, and they're 72. And by the time I'm coloring, I'm like, oh, I need more choices, and like 72 isn't enough. So I ended up getting the 120, and I hope I'm not disappointed, as this might be my staple coloring tool. It was between the Prisma, Castle, or there was the Scholastic, Prisma Scholastic, which is like 660, or another brand. And I decided to go with Castle, give them a try, just to see if they will stand up to the test, as everyone is saying that's the intermediate between Prisma and the regular pencils. Like, the core is not so soft that they won't hold the leads inside, but they're blendable and work just as fine as Prisma would. So I'm trusting the review. I've never used any before, and I wanted to give this a go, and I'm sure it will stand up to the test. It is a professional grade anyways. It's just how the user uses it, and I'm hoping to learn how to use these properly so I can do tutorials and just enjoy them anyways, right? So it doesn't matter whether they're good quality or not so good quality. It depends on the user and what project you're using them in. So just figure that out if you have this set. But I tell you, it is beautiful. It has a booklet inside. The booklet gives you a color chart. It gives you a blank color chart. It gives you a rundown, like a coloring guide in terms of what coloring is all about, color wheels, not just even coloring, but if you're using these pencils for sketching, that booklet is just gold, I'm telling you. Not many packages have this in it, and I'm one for information in terms of that, because it's a great guide. So I will be playing around with these beautiful pencils and doing a swatch so you can see. And I hope if you have not picked one up, it might be a little bit expensive, yes, But if you're looking to upgrade yourself from a mid-grade colorist to a professional colorist, just trying to upgrade your game, this would be a good starter until you find that one that you actually fall in love with. But for now, I'm intending to fall in love with Castle, the 120, because I bought him, and maybe eventually I'll try the Prisma or the Prisma Scholars set. But for now, it's just because I don't want to buy just like the small pack, become in love with it, and I just have a limited palette. So I just decided if I'm gonna go, I'm gonna just go big and just get them all. So I decided just to get the whole collection of the Castle, and later down when I've upped my art game, then and I no longer desire the Castle, and I wanted something different, then I will go ahead and try some other brand. And not even not liking the Castle, but you know, if I've grown out of it, I'm grown up, you know, and want to try another brand or something else, then that would be great. But for now, Castle is gonna be it. So I have the Yugamit, I have Castle, I have the Studio, and I've given away another set, yes, to my sister. That finger that you always see popping up in my videos, trying to be mischievous. Yep, I've given her a set. I'm introducing her to coloring and just getting her on board as well. So I hope it's a fun time for you if you've purchased these. Now we can able to do proper tutorials where I can actually list the pencils, because it's more common to have like the Castle brand as opposed to the Yugamit that not many people may have, but they're both good. I like my Yugamit and my Studio, but those pencils might not be popular on the coloring platform at this moment as opposed to the Castle. So that I'm happy for, so I can now do tutorials that you can color along with and identify the pencils that I'm using. So I am just really excited to give these a go, and if you have not checked out my Kofi page, please go ahead. It's just fun. I keep posting stuff that I've actually done and the finished products, and I'm starting to make bookmarkers with the coloring that I've actually completed. And so what I think it's great for, but you have to just assemble it yourself in terms of printing it, laminating it, and making it into a bookmarker. But the size of it is there, because sometimes when I'm doing reviews and I can't find my pages, I have to sticky note all of the pages. So it's great to have bookmarkers to slip in between, so when you're doing your coloring projects, you can go ahead and find it easily. So that's what I'm doing with my finished products. I'm posting them on my Kofi. You can download it for free and go ahead and make your own bookmarker. I think I'll be making a few just to show you what my idea is. But go ahead, support me on Kofi. You can send me a donation if you want, so I can keep my awesome coloring tools so we can both experience and experiment with it. All right, forget my bloopers right there. I don't know where that stain came from, but somehow it appeared right in the middle of me recording. All right, guys, so thank you very much. And it's been a pleasure doing art, and both of us can grow together. Have a great and God bless day. It's actually raining now. It's a little bit dreary, but hey, we have life. And once you have life, there's always a way. So take your lemons and make some lemonade and just roll with the day. Have a great and godly one.